My name is David Wanyonyi Suku. I came from Bukoholo village. I learn in Bukoholo Junior Secondary and I'm a student of Rise Kenya unit. I imagine that I have a speaker, engine, batteries and cables, but I don't have a radio. I fix the engine into the speaker and then the battery into the engine and the radio started singing. I was happy, but after 1 week my mind then changed. I have a radio, but I can't carry it from home even to the shamba when I'm eating so that to listen to news. I made a box and then I placed a speaker and then I fixed the engine into the speaker and then the battery into the engine. My radio started singing. I am happy now. I have a radio that I can carry it from home to another place. My hobby is listening to music and news. I like listening news when I'm going to the farm meeting for crops because I like agriculture.
My name is Victor Nangesa Wafula. I came from Bukoholo village. I'm in grade 7 in Bukoholo Junior Secondary School. I'm also a student of Rise Kenyan Youth. I imagine that I have a speaker, engine, cables with a battery that I don't have a radio. So I try to make something like a radio. I use the clay soil to make a box. Then I fixed there a speaker. On back of that box, I made a hole. Then I put the wires out. I fixed with the engine. Then I take a battery and fixed to the engine. Then it started producing sound. I was happy that I have a radio now. Thank you.